I get divorced? I hear this a lot. And it used to be that the fastest I could get someone divorced was 4 months. And that's because there used to be a mandatory 90-day waiting period. I used to tell people all the time, even if you have an agreement, a full agreement on day one, you still have to wait that 90 days. It took a couple of weeks in the beginning of the 90 days to get all the paperwork filed, served on the other party. It took a couple of weeks at the end to actually get your divorce date. So you put that all together, and the fastest used to be 4 months. Now they've changed the law. The last couple of years they've been making a couple of changes to family law, one of which was they're going to allow that 90-day waiting period to be waivable. So if both parties agree to waive it, then they can actually get divorced as fast as they can get their paperwork completed. Now the catch is you have to have paperwork complete, and it has to be done correctly. If it's not complete or if it's not done correctly, then you're going to end up going to court. They're going to end up sending you back to fix it. Still can go back and get done in less than 4 months, but it's not going to be as fast as maybe you would like. So there's two ways to make sure that your paperwork is complete and correct. And one is to get it checked out free of charge by the court service center at the court. But like anything else that's free of charge, there's a little bit of negatives, and that's usually there's long wait times, there's lines, because there's a lot of people who need that help. And the person that's going to be helping you is not able to give you any legal advice, just some procedural advice. And some people think, that it's a little quicker, they don't get as much attention as they maybe need with the paperwork. They can't, get some of their questions answered. But it's a good service, and it's something that's available to you. There are people that prefer to have an attorney, if not prepare the paperwork, which we could certainly do for you, at least review the paperwork. They can do that by appointment. They can do that at their own time. There's no lines to wait for. And, they can get everything reviewed. There is a charge, but they get everything reviewed. They get their questions answered. And they know before they take the day off from work, if they go to court, they know that everything is complete and everything is correct. And chances are very, very good that they're going to get divorced on that day when they go to court. So there's no backlog. There's no going back and having to maybe reschedule or take more time off from work. Now, there are a few couples, small, narrow segment of society that is able to actually get divorced without actually going to court. Visit our website or call me to see if you actually qualify for that. Most people are going to have to go to court, but there are some couples who won't have to go to court at all. Either way, you now have more control over ever as to how quickly you can get divorced, which is important for a lot of people. Kathy Buford, helping you with life's trials at a faster pace.